Hey there, everybody. Merry Christmas is the first thing I want to say. Obviously, my wife has just popped out to go and get her parents because we're off out today. But that's not the reason why I'm making this video. The reason why I'm making this video is because of the fact that without Faceless Flipping, I would have been struggling online with TikTok, trying to get my numbers up to be able to open up a TikTok shop and a creators account. Now, I'm getting people asking me whether or not, am I only doing this to promote Faceless Flipping? The answer to that is, there's no real answer to that. Yes, I am doing that to promote Faceless Flipping, but I'm only promoting it for those people who are struggling, okay? I'm not promoting it because I want you to buy it. I don't care whether you buy it or not. I'm just letting you know what results I'm getting using Faceless Flipping. And the reason why I'm using it is because I want to get my TikTok account up there to 10,000 followers so I can get a creator's account, so I can get paid via TikTok for every 1,000 views that, my video makes. Plus, on top of that, I want a TikTok shop. And I'm going to start selling like affiliate products on TikTok shop using Amazon, ClickBank and all that type of stuff. Those are the reasons. I want an all-round business using TikTok. And if Faceless Flipping is going to help me do that, then I'm going to let them help me do that. That is the one reason why I joined Faceless Flipping. And I went all in. I went straight into Diamond. I'm the Inner Circle member. And, I have the $27 one as well. So I've got it all. Okay, if you're going to go in, you might as well just go all in. If you want to get there quicker, go all in. Okay, because it's going to help you get there quicker. A month ago, you've seen my TikTok account. I've got about, 1,500 followers on this TikTok account. On my Christmas one, I'm hitting on nearly 5,000 followers. So I'm nearly there at the TikTok shop. That is the reason I joined Faceless Flipping. One of my videos got 1 million views. I mean, that's crazy, right? That is absolutely crazy. Now, none of my videos have ever got 1 million views. Yet when I joined Faceless Flipping, for some reason, they know how to make the right type of videos to capture the audience. The reason why I'm making those videos is to go viral, to be able to get myself views, to get myself followers, to build up the TikTok accounts so I can get a creator's account and a TikTok shop so I can make money all around TikTok. So think about it. If you want to grind at it every day, then by all means, grind at it. But if you want a nice, quick and easy way of getting, followers onto your TikTok to be able to open up a TikTok shop, to be able to get, the creator's account where TikTok pay you for the views on your video, then I suggest you come and take a look at Faceless Flipping. That is the reason why I am promoting Faceless Flipping, to help people out there like myself, like it's helped me, and like many other people out there, because I'm a customer of it. I absolutely love it. The fact that my videos are being done for me, it just takes it to a next level. So if this sounds like it could help you, then I suggest that you come and take a look at the website. Okay, I'm going to drop the link either below this video, in the comments, or it's going to be in my bio where you can come and take a look at it for yourself, okay? And if it sounds like it's something for you, then by all means, jump on board. But if it's not, then good luck. I hope you do well with TikTok, and I'll see you on the next video.